My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine. Now friends, this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of the Ankr coin. What's the price change goes in Ankr network? A lot of people also message me that what's the next target of Ankr network, please make a video for us. That's why I decided let's make a video for my subscriber of Ankr coin, friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Ankr coin, friends. Now let's start the video. First of all, we look the price prediction of the Ankr coin. After that, we decided what's the next target of the Ankr coin. As you can see here, that is a live price prediction of the Ankr coin of the last 1 day, friends. The change occurred in the Ankr coin in the last 1 day as about positive 13.18% change occurred in the Ankr in the last 1 day, friends, and the high price of the Ankr is about 0.2051 USD dollar is the high price of Ankr network and the last 1 day, friends. Today I'm talking about today, friends. Now friends, how can we detect let's detect the next target of the Ankr coin. What's the price change goes in Ankr coin in the future? As you can see here, wait a minute, friends. If you don't subscribe my channel, so please make sure to subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets. Please, your subscribe is very important for me. Please kindly subscribe. When you subscribe my channel, I'm very happy to see my subscriber, friends. As you can see here, now the graph are ready for the detection of the next target. As you can see here, the downward occurs in the Ankr network. If they continues this kind of travel, so that's all. That's clear for all of you. That's the dumping period of the Ankr coin starts now from this time. The dumping occurs in the Ankr network continuously fast occur in the Ankr network, friends. As you can see here, a badly change occur in the Ankr network. As you can see here, that's how you can detect it. As you can see here, the pattern of the Ankr coin network, they fast down occurs for a little time and fast down occur for a little time. After fast, they take a jump, fast down, take a jump, fast down, take a jump, fast down, take a jump. There's continuously repetition of the Ankr coin network at this period, friends. So if they continue this kind of pattern, so it is clear for you that the future fast occur in the Ankr network. So what's your opinion about Ankr network? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency markets. Thank you so much for watching this video.